Hey guys, welcome back. And today is Wendy's last day. So guess what she's going to teach me how to make?
VetKoeks that turn on their own.
While they're frying. Watch out for this.
You will need sugar, yeast, flour, water, and you can choose any oil you want to use, and a pinch of salt.
In a clean bowl, mix all your dry ingredients. That's your flour, your sugar, and your yeast. Now add in your wet ingredients. That is your water, your oil, and don't forget your pinch of salt. And now mix well. You will come to a very sticky dough. Once your mixture is put together, we're going to take it and put it onto a floured surface. Before kneading, we leave it to rest for 5 minutes. Now we're going to knead our dough for 5 minutes, ensuring that our dough is no longer sticky. Once it is properly kneaded, we're going to put oil on it and put it into a small bowl and let it rise or prove for about up to an hour. Don't forget to cling wrap your bowl.
After about 45 minutes to an hour, your dough should have risen. You're going to remove your dough from the bowl. Coat your hands with oil to easily handle the dough. You'll remove it from the bowl and punch the air out and continue to knead it. Coat the surface with a bit of oil so your dough does not stick to it. Because we used a much smaller recipe, we divided the dough into 4 bowls. You're gonna break the dough up into your bowls, and then you're going to put them on the surface. Leave them there for a minute, and they will rise while you are heating up your oil in a saucepan to medium heat.
Place your VetKoek dough in oil at a medium heat. As it fries, you will see that it rotates itself. It should rotate about 2 or 3 times before you can remove it from the oil. Ensure your oil is not too hot, else your dough will be raw in the middle. guys, some amazing VetKoek, and they actually rolled by themselves if you actually saw in the video. And we filled them up with some nice chicken mayo. And Wendy's already eating away.
I couldn't wait. Good. So you can put any filling you want. We decided to try chili mayo. And it's really good.
Super tasty, super fluffy. It rolls very nicely when you're frying. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us what other videos you'd like us to make for you.
And remember, subscribe.
And when you'll be back soon. So keep well, guys.